Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge the Voyager Focus 2 above 50% and power it on in Bluetooth pairing mode so the Mac can discover it. On your Mac, open System Settings and go to Bluetooth. Leave that pane visible. It helps you confirm pairing quickly. Make sure no other Bluetooth audio devices are connected and quit apps that monopolize sound, because once the Mac scans, it will need an available audio profile to attach to the headset. Next, locate Poly Voyager Focus 2 in the Mac Bluetooth list and click Connect. You may see separate profiles for hands-free and high-quality audio. Choose the high-quality profile for media and hands-free for calls. Once connected, open Sound Settings and set both output and input to the Voyager so your mic and speakers route correctly. If call apps still use the wrong device, change the audio device inside the app. Also, adjust any sample rate or noise controls in sound or accessibility to optimize clarity. To finish, test recording with voice memos or place a short call to verify mic and audio levels. Adjust volumes on both Mac and headset. If the Mac cannot find or connect to the headset, reset the Voyager Focus 2 using the manufacturer's button sequence. Forget the device on Mac and repair. That clears profile conflicts. Finally, update headset firmware with the Poly app and keep Mac OS updated. Compatibility fixes often solve intermittent dropouts, and if problems persist, retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.